Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Papia Vlogs. So today in this video I would show how you can doodle. So if you find the dictionary meaning of doodle, doodle means to sketch or draw aimlessly. However, if you practice it daily or if you keep it as a hobby for your kids, you can doodle as a professional. Doodling in recent times or in traditional times, it used to be said that doodle was done to relieve stress. However, in modern times, doodle can be taken as a profession, especially for architecture design or any interior design or anything else. So children can also, enjoy doodling. So just see the videos where I would be showing you the different doodling ideas. So the first doodle idea is a classroom. So if you are a parent or a child or a professional, doodle is a form of art which releases your boredom, your stress, and this is an effective way to utilize your time and focus your mind in something creative. So if you are a parent, you can sketch some doodles in front of your child, in a sketchbook or in a whiteboard or anything available, because this is the best way quality time you can spend with your children. So nowadays, since lockdown are going on, so the creative instincts of the child should be encouraged, motivated, and you should ensure that your child is developing skills and utilizing their time in a productive way. So if the children are doing doodling, it's not a waste of time, but yes, they can develop a skill of good art, and it can also help the professionals, especially who are in the creative field or into the technical field, as in the interior design or you can say the architecture, etc. So the second doodle idea is a sketch of a front room, a big hall, where you can see the way the artist is doodling. So this is the way you can explain better. Even you can make PPT presentations, or you can show it in this video form to explain your ideas better to your audience. So this is the modern way where it has been taken as the best way of presentation skills to your clients or to your audience. So doodling can help not only the parents or the children for better sketch, better quality time, better utilization of time, but it can help the professionals as well for better presentation, explanation to their clients. So as you can see, I am getting convinced how a front room which is totally vacant, a hall which is totally vacant, how an interior designer can help their client understand by sketching initially. So I hope you would also be convinced that this is the way you can explain things. So since this is an art, it requires a lot of practice. Now the third doodle idea is of a bedroom, where the professional interior designer is trying to explain where the bed can be placed, where the mirror can be placed, and where the side table can be placed. I hope you like this video. If so, please do subscribe to Papia Vlogs with bell for more such interesting video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.